Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Study Success, and today I am going discussing about shortest path algorithm with the help of Dijkstra's algorithm. Okay, so this is the unit 5 graphs in trees concept in discrete mathematics, very important. You may expect a 15 marks question from this particular concept. Okay ma, so let us discuss in detail. I will take the one example ma. So I will explain one example. What are the steps involved in that? Please follow the procedure carefully. If you are not understanding, just rewind the class again. So see here, this is our question. Okay. So in this, one second. So in this is the graph ma. So here what they ask, using the Dijkstra's algorithm, find out the path between A to Z. So we have a series of number of steps will be there. Okay, let us do one by one. You see here, first step. Okay, see the solution carefully. In step 1, what we have to do? Initialization. Do all initialization. The permanent label will be pi, and then t is nothing but number of vertices in the graph. So how many vertices are there? A comma B comma C D. You see A B C D and E F Z. So D E F Z. So how many vertices are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 vertices are there. Okay, so there may be a chance of 7 steps. Okay, there may be a chance of, if n vertices will be there, then n steps will be there in order to get the length of the graph. Next, length or label of A, first we have to initialize 0, because here our starting vertex is A, so we should denote length of A is equal to 0. And then length of x is nothing but what here? Our next closest vertices of A should be infinity. Okay, for all x belongs to D, here x should be belongs to this particular T. So T is consisting of all the vertices. You mean అర్థమైంది కదా నాన్న? సో ఇక్కడ x అంటే what are the all the vertices that we have in the graph. Then x should not be equal to, it does not equal to A, because already we assign the value A is equal to 0. We can't assign the another value A is equal to infinity. That is why x should not does not equal to A. Again, here the common sense, here we start, our starting vertex is A. Okay, and next step we need to find out the closest vertices of the A, right? So this is a step 1 initialization process, and then come to the step 2. So in step 2, observe carefully, our vertices, starting vertices is equal to A, and what is the permanent label? The permanent label of A, the permanent label or length. Okay, you can assume anything. Label of A is what ma? 0. That means what? Length of A is equal to 0. Next, P, path is equal to A. Here only we starts with A. Okay, then T is equal to, here we should eliminate A and we have to start with B. So the remaining vertices are B, C, D, E, F and Z. Okay, now in this particular step we have to compare with A to B, A to C, A to D, A to E, A to F and A to Z. That we have to check whether the edge is existing or not. Okay, and next, length of B. First check length of B is equal to what ma? Minimum of old LB value, comma, length of A. In this particular step, this value will be all the series of steps using L of A only. Okay, length of A plus weight between A comma B. Okay, then minimum of old LB value. See, since still now we have not visited the B value ma. Okay, we are at A only. So the b value should be, old length of the b value will be infinity, and the length of a is 0, and plus the weight between a to b. What is the weight between a to b? That is 22. So from this particular step we got to 22, then the length of b 22. You see, in the first step the length of b is infinity, but in the second step what we got? A length of b is equal to 22. ఓకేనా. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్స్లో మనకి ఎక్కడైనా ఓల్డ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ బి అని వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ 22. ఓకే, వీ షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. నౌ సో బి ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నౌ కమ్ టు ది లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సి. సో లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సి వాల్యూ కామా లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ weight of a comma c. So if there is an edge existing between a to c, then write down the particular value. If there is no edge between, sorry, L of a is what? 0, plus check whether weight is existing between a to c. Yes, a to c there is a edge and the value is 16. So 0 plus 16 is equal to what? 16. So in this particular step what we got? LC is equal to 16. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్స్లో ఎక్కడైనా ఎల్సీ వస్తే ఏంటి మీరు పెట్టాలి? 16 పెట్టాలి. అండ్ బికాస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఓల్డ్ వాల్యూ, బికాస్ వీ విజిట్ ద సి. ఏ నుంచి మన సిని కూడా విజిట్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో ఐ డూ హియర్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ డి. లెంత్ ఆఫ్ డి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ ఎల్ ఆఫ్ డి వాల్యూ కామా లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కామా డి. Okay, so in this step minimum of, again we have not visit the length of d, so here also infinity, and 0 plus a to d. A to d what is the value? 8. So 0 plus 8. So in this what? Minimum of infinity comma 8. So we will get 8. So length of d is equal to 8. Okay, now Seema here a b c d completed. Now we have to check e f z. సో ఏ నుంచి మనం ఈని ఎఫ్ని జెడ్ని ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఈ వాల్యూ ప్లస్ కామా లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కామా ఈ. Now check minimum, is there any old LD value? No, so it is infinity, and length of a is 0, and plus weight between a to e. So is there edges between the a to e? Is there any path between the a to e? There is no path is existing between the a to e, so we have to insert the infinity value. From this we will get minimum of infinity comma infinity, that is infinity. So still L of e is equal to infinity. And next L of e is completed. Now check L of f. Then minimum of old L of f value, label of f value, comma L of a plus weight a comma f. So same step like, because there is no edge between a to e, a to f, a to z. So simple ga manaki infinity values vastayi. Okay, because there is no edge, there is no path between a to f, so that is why here infinity. So similarly minimum of infinity comma infinity, then we will get infinity, and the old label value L of f value will be infinite only. And next length of last one z. So same minimum of old L of z value comma L of a plus weight a comma z. Okay, then minimum of infinity comma 0 plus same check is there path existing between the a to z? No, so it is the infinity value. So from this also we get infinity, then the length of z is equal to infinity. So we travel b c d a e f z. Now check what is the minimum label here. So we got here 22, we got here 16, we got here 8. So what is the minimum label? So in step 2 we got, in step 2 we got L of d is equal to what? 8. because L of B is 22, L of C is 16, L of D is 8. So we have to choose length of D is equal to is the minimum label. Okay, L of D is the minimum label. So this is step 2. Okay, now our new vertices will be D. That means for we have to circle this one. In previous class I explained, no, we visit A and then we visit D. So the next closest vertices for A is D. So now in step 3 again we have to initialize the values, like V is equal to D. Okay, so V equal to D, and then the permanent label of D is what? 8. Okay, then P is equal to what? We travel A and then D. Okay, fine. And the remaining vertices, what are there in the T? So again A and D is completed. Now B, C, F, E, F, Z are there. Okay, now what we have to do, ma? Same thing, L of B. So in previous step 2, I write here L of B is equal to 22. Okay, L of C is equal to 16, because from the step 3 లో మనకి ఇవి ఓల్డ్ వాల్యూస్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా, స్టెప్ 1 లో మనకి ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇన్ఫినిటీ వాల్యూస్. స్టెప్ 2 లో మనకి we got the new values for length of B, label C, label E. So B, C, E ki infinity eno, L of F also infinity, L of Z also infinity, and L of D is equal to, that is what, 8 value. So this is our new label value, minimum value. So L of B is equal to minimum of, cheppandi anna, what is the formula? Old LB, length of B, comma. So our what is the vertex here? Length of D. So in the step 3 what we have to check? D నుంచి D ki closest one మనం find out చేయాలి. So for this L of D plus weight between D comma, what is the vertices? మనం ఏం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం? B, D comma B. Now check ma, minimum old LB value what? 22. So 22, and length of the D already we got 8 plus weight between D comma B. So is there any path between D to B? There is no path, ma. Madhyalo we have C. So in between we have C. So 8 plus infinity. So from this minimum of 22 comma infinity we got 22. So it doesn't change. Still the length of the B is equal to 22. So next one, L of B is completed, ma. So now L of C. L of C is equal to minimum of old L of C value, comma, L of D. So in the entire step 3 లో మనం అన్ని L of D నే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. L of D ప్లస్ వెయిట్, బికాస్ మనం D కి నియరెస్ట్ పాత్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సో D కామా C. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి, ఇక్కడ మన LBని చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి D కామా B. సో D నుంచి Cకి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో వెయిట్ బిట్వీన్ D కామా C. సో ఓల్డ్ LC వాల్యూ ఇస్ వాట్? 16, అండ్ L of D is వాట్? మనకి ఎంత ఉంది? 8 ఉంది, right? Plus weight between D and C. So is there path existing between D to C? Yes, D to C we have the path and the value is 10. You see ma, here 10 plus 8, 18. So the minimum of 16 comma 18. So what is the minimum value? 16. Okay, so we should choose 16 only, we should not choose 10. Okay, so still we are in D level only. So here the length of C value will be 16. Okay, so we should not take 18 value because the minimum value is 16. And similarly L of C is completed, then L of E, ma. L of E is equal to a simple one because there is no path between D and E. So here we will get only infinite value. L of E comma L of D plus weight between D comma E. Okay, so these are all the steps are very important. You should write, don't write directly. ఓకేనా, డైరెక్ట్గా మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం రాయకూడదు, బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ a 15 marks క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, సో మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ L of E is what? L of E is infinity, right? Then L of D is 8 plus weight between D and E. There is no path between D to E. See here, there is no path here. So it is also infinity. So from this we will get infinity. Still length of the E is equal to infinity. Okay, and the next one, E is completed, F and Z. Okay, F and Z. So let us discuss LF is equal to minimum of what is the value, old LF value comma LD plus weight between D comma F. So minimum of, so do we visit F previously? No. So still L of old value is infinity, comma L of D is 8. So is there any path? Yes, from D to F we have a path, that is 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So minimum of infinity comma 14 will be 14. So L of F will value will be 14. Clear? Now L of Z is equal to minimum of old L of Z comma L of D plus W, weight between D comma Z. Okay, so the minimum of old LZ value is infinity, comma L of D is 8 plus, is there any edge between D to Z? So see here, D is here, Z here, so there is no path here. So that is, this is also infinity. From this we will get infinity only, infinity. So what is the minimum value? Infinity only. So still we have Z value, the label of Z is infinity only. Now tell me ma, in this step, in particular step 3, what is the minimum? See, 22 or 16 or label B, label C is 16 and the label F is 14. So which one is minimum here? LF is LF 14. So after A we choose D, after D we have to choose F. So in the step 3 what we got, the label called F. So in the step you have to write here, in step 3 we got L of F is equal to 14 is the minimum label, Now step 4, observe carefully, step 4. Now what is the vertices value? F. Okay, so A to D, D to F now. So and the remaining T values, what are there? So A, D, F completed and still B, E, Z is there. So still B, E, Z. So these iterations, L of F, how many we will get? 3 iterations we will get in step 4. Okay, good. Now you know L of F is equal to what? 14. So in the entire steps mana L of F 14 use cheyali. Okay, now P is equal to what? The path A comma D comma F. Okay, so T value. Up to here clear everyone? Now we'll see the next process. We'll check L of B, L of E, L of Z again. So in previous step, step 3, L of B is 22. Okay, I'll write here in the step. So the old value of L of B is equal to 22. So next we have to EZ, no? So old L of E value still infinity, old L of Z also infinity. So L of E is infinity, L of Z infinity. Okay ma. Now check L of B. L of B is equal to what? Minimum of old LB value, comma L of, what is the F, right? Plus weight between F comma B. You see here, minimum of old LB value is what? 22. Okay. L of F value is what? 14. Plus F to B. Check whether F to B path is existing or not. F to B path is existing. So what is that? 7. So you see here, minimum of 22 comma 14 plus 7. So the answer is here 21. So what is the minimum value? 20 to 21. Among 20 to 21, answer minimum is 21. So therefore the L of B, length B is equal to 21. So from this step 4 nunchi what we have to consider? L of B value will be 22. That means after F we have to choose, we have to check whether we have to choose B or EZ, but still L of B is equal to 21. Now come to the L of E. Minimum of old LB value, LE, comma L of F plus weight between F comma E. So minimum of old LB value, how much it is? Infinity. L of F value is what? 14 plus weight between F. So there is no path between F and E. So it is infinity. So still L of E is equal to infinity. Next come to the L of z is equal to, that is minimum of old L of z comma L of f plus weight between what f comma z. Okay, so the minimum of, you know, old Lz value is still infinity and L of f is 14 plus f to z. f to z is 9. So path is there. See, f to z path is there. So the value is 9. So what is the value of 14 plus 9? Minimum of infinity, 14 plus 9 is 23. So from this we will get 23. So L of z is equal to 23. So from f we can visit 23. Okay, directly. But we have another minimum label called 21. Okay, so keep aside. L of b, L of z we get here. Right, ma? So from this particular step 4, what we got in step 4, we got, what is the minimum label value among 22 and 21 and 23? 21 only. So we got L of b is equal to 21 is the minimum label. Now what we have to visit in particular step, next step, step 5. Now v becomes b and t becomes still e comma z. So in this step 4 actually we visit a, d, f, no. So we have b comma c comma e comma z. Okay, so we have to visit L of c. Okay, just one more step is there. L of c is equal to minimum of old L of c. You see here, L of c is equal to what? Minimum of old L of c comma L f plus weight between f comma c. So minimum old LC value, what? LC value here 16. So 16. So 16, you see here 16 comma L of f value is what? 14 plus weight between this 3 here. So from this we will got here we got 16. L of c is equal to 16. Okay, so L of b is 21, L of e is equal to infinity, L of z is equal to 23 and L of c is equal to 16. Right? So this is in the step 4. So step 4 what we got? L of c is equal to 16 we got. Actually the next minimum label 16, not 21. Okay, so v is equal to, v becomes c here, v equal to c, and still how many are there remaining? B comma e comma z we have, right, ma? So v is equal to c now. So in this particular step we will have p is equal to a, d, f, c. This process, why this process, all this process, you know, find out the path, length of the distance between the a to z. Okay, that is why మనం ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా కూడా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. సో p is equal to ADFC and then d is equal to b comma e comma z we have. Now come to the point L comma b. L comma b is equal to minimum of old LB value, okay, comma L of c. So in this particular step 5 మనం ఏంటి L of c నే కంప్లీట్గా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. L of c plus weight between c comma b. You see I write here old LB value 21. No. Step 2లో 22 ఉంది, బట్ స్టెప్ 4లో it changed, right? Step 4లో it changed to 21. So now the LB value is 21 and the L of E value still infinity and L of Z value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి స్టెప్ 4లో? 23 వచ్చింది. You see here L of G is value 23. So this is the old value. Now minimum of old LB 21 and L of C value what? 16 plus C2B. C2B whether path is existing? Yes, path is existing and weight is 20. So 60 plus 16 plus 20. What is 36? Minimum of 21 comma 36. What is the minimum value here? 21. So we should choose 21. Okay, that means what? We should not travel C2B. C2B ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే మనం 36 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాం, ఓకేనా. సో వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ట్రావెల్ C2B హియర్. స్టిల్ LB ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 21. LB ఈక్వల్ టు 21 అంటే ఏంటి? ఆ LB ఈక్వల్ 21 మనకి ఎక్కడొచ్చింది? LB ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 21 F నుంచి Bకి ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే వచ్చింది, ఓకేనా. రిమెంబర్ దిస్. మ్యామ్ C నుంచి Bకి ట్రావెల్ చేసాం కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ C2B, దిస్ ఈజ్ F2B. దిస్ వాల్యూ ఓల్డ్ LB వాల్యూ ఈజ్ F2B, ఓకే. C2B ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 36 వస్తుంది. సో వీ షుడ్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్ దిస్ వన్ బికాస్ అమాంగ్ 21, 36 అవర్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 21 మినిమం వాల్యూ. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ L of E. L of E is equal to minimum of old LE value and L of C plus weight between C comma E. Now minimum of old LV value, you know, infinity. L of C is 16 plus weight between C to E. So C to E we have 6. So 16 plus 6, that is what? 16 plus 6, 22. So here we got L of E is equal to 22. And next L of Z, finally L of Z. So minimum of old L of Z value comma L of C plus weight between C comma Z. So what is the value? So here L of Z value will be minimum of old LZ value is 23, okay, comma 16 plus, check whether the path between C to Z, yes, path is there, C to Z path is there and the value is 10. So 16 plus 10, what is the value? 26. So minimum of 23 comma 26, what is the minimum value? 23. So L of Z is equal to what? 23. ఈ 23 మనకి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే 23 వచ్చింది? ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ స్టెప్ F నుంచి Zకి ట్రావెల్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి 23 వచ్చింది, ఓకే. దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ F to Z, నాట్ C to Z, ఓకే. డోంట్ కన్సిడర్ లైక్ దిస్. C to Z మనం ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే మనకి 26 వస్తుంది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చూస్ మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ 23, okay. So in step 5 we visit B, E, Z. Now tell me what is the minimum label here? What we get the next shortest path, nearest path? Next మనం ఏ వెర్టెక్స్ని మనం ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి? You see here L of B is 21, L of B is 21, L of E is 22, L of Z is 23. So among 21, 22, 23, the smallest minimum label is what? LB. So in this particular step what we have to write? In step 5 I got, or we got, LB is equal to 21 is the minimum label, okay. Now step 6 ma. So in step 6 next what is the vertices? B, okay. Then the permanent label of B is 21, okay. That is L of B is equal to, you know, 21, ఓకే. సో ఈ 21 మనకి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే వచ్చింది? F నుంచి Bకి ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే వచ్చింది, ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ F to B, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, స్టిల్ నో వీ విజిట్ A కామా D కామా C ఆల్సో, F కామా F to C అండ్ C to B. యాక్చువల్లీ మనం C to B పాత్ తీసుకోము, F to B పాత్ తీసుకుంటాం బికాస్ ద నియరెస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 21, okay. And next T is equal to what? Remaining vertices E comma Z. So in this particular step 6 we got only 2 iterations, okay na. That is L of E. L of E is equal to what? Minimum of old LE value comma, so in this LB, right, our vertices is LB, so LB plus, check whether path is existing between B to E. Now minimum of what is the LE value? Old LE value. So మనకి ఈ పర్టికులర్ స్టెప్లో we got LB 21, okay, LE 22, LZ 23, right. So these are all the old values, okay. Old LE value is 22 and LB value is 21 plus weight between B to E. Yes, B to E there is a H and the value is 2, so 21 plus 2. So minimum of 22 comma 23. So what is the minimum value? Still 22, Okay, L of E is equal to 22, and next L of Z is equal to minimum of old LZ value comma LB plus weight between B comma Z, so that we will get minimum of old LZ value is 23 comma LB value. What is the LB value? 21 plus weight between B to Z. Yes, path existing between B to Z ma. So the value is 2. So it is 2. Then here minimum of 23 comma 23. So what is the value? 23 only. So L of Z is equal to 23. Okay. Now in this particular step, what is the minimum label? Actually we visit Z, we visit E. What is the minimum label here in step 6? 22. Okay, now here in this particular step we got L of E is equal to 22 is the minimum label, is the minimum label. Okay, then so in step 7 we got V is equal to 7, and the permanent label of E is what? 22. Okay, so that L of E is equal to what? 22. Okay, fine ma. So now we are visiting A comma B comma C comma D comma E. Okay, and the only one vertices is left out here, that is Z. Okay, then now we have to find out length of label of Z. Length of Z is equal to minimum. See here in this particular step we have only one iteration because only one vertices is there. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ టీలో మీకు ఎన్ని వెర్టిసెస్ ఉంటాయి అన్ని ఇటరేషన్స్ మనకి ప్రతి స్టెప్లో కూడా వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. దెన్ మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ what is the value? Old LZ value, old label of Z value comma L of E plus weight between E comma Z. Now minimum of old LZ value is 23. Okay, L of E value, what is the L of E value? 22 plus E to Z. E to Z existing path unda? Yes, there is a path between E to Z and the value, the weight is 4. So now tell me 23 comma 22 plus 4, that is 26. Means what here? Minimum of 23 comma 26. What is the minimum value? 23. L of Z is equal to 23. ఈ L of Z is equal to 23 మనకి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే వచ్చింది మనకి? You see previous steps చూడండి. So here L of Z is equal to 23. So ఇక్కడ B2, you see B2 Z ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంటే మనకి 23 వచ్చింది, right? You have to check ma. So here finally we reach the Z. Our destination vertex is Z. So here V is equal to Z. When V is equal to Z, because here only one label, when V is equal to Z, then we have to stop the procedure. Okay, in step 8 what we have to write? V is equal to Z. So here the permanent label of Z is what? 23. Okay na? So మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎలా పాత్ తీసుకున్నా the A to Z, the path, length of the path is 23. Okay, hence the length of the shortest path, hence the length of the shortest path from where to where? A to Z is what? 23. Okay, so now the shortest path will be either A to D, D to F, F to Z. Check the minimum values and then find out A to D, F to Z, 23 only, and A to D, F to FBZ, this is also 23 only. See here, A to D and D to F and F to Z 23 only. So one shortest path will be this one. Okay, and another path, this is A, D, F, Z. Okay, 8, 6, 9. Another path will be A to D, D to F, F to B. Okay na, because B we got 21. So B and then B to Z. So this is also another path we got here. A to D is 8, D to F is 6, and 6 to 7, and 7 to 2. Okay, so these are the two paths we got now. Like this you have to find out the shortest path between the two vertices. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో ఈ A to Z ఇచ్చారు, ఓకేనా. మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో రేపు ఇంకేదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ B to F అడగచ్చు, లేదా C to Z సంథింగ్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ D to Z. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నేను ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకొని సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఒక 2-3 చూస్తే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. క్లియర్ మా? హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ దిస్ ప్రొసీజర్. ప్లీజ్ డూ కామెంట్ ఇన్ ద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్, okay, if you are not understanding or not. So thank you so much. Do subscribe to our channel Sankalp Study Success.